All right, we're beginning a program. Starts with a tool change. And we're running. Spindle is currently going at 8,000 RPM. I'm gonna go ahead and slow that down. There's 0. 500. 1,000. Take it up to 2,000. 4,000. Take it up to 6,000. 8,000. This is 8,000. 10,000 RPM. Back down to 0. And I'm going to take it back to the standard for this program, which is 8,000. I'm going to let this program run. Increasing my speed rate as well, although I do have a limit within the program, so another tool change. And that program is done.